Hey guys, this assignment's going to be a little bit different. I want to make sure that you know the directions about how to use Google Slides inside of Schoology. Here we are in our class, and you're going to see on Friday, May 1st, we have Project A1, and there's an assignment there that says Earth Science Final Project, Dinosaur Extinction in Spheres. If you tap on that, it's going to take you to the assignment, and things are going to look just a little bit different. It doesn't have a PDF attached to it or anything else, but this is where the assignment is. And then what you're going to do is you're going to tap on My Document to the right, and then you'll see an icon for Google Slides appear. If yours doesn't appear, then you may have to connect your Google Drive by clicking right here where it says Can't See Your Document. Click here. And then you'll have to give Schoology permission to link up with your Google Drive. The rest is pretty simple. You just tap the icon for Google Slides and it will say, hey, open it up in the app. And once you do, it'll open up the app for Google Slides and then it will open the assignment. Now, if you don't have Google Slides on your iPad, no worries, you can grab it from self-service. And here is the template for your assignment. You'll see on slide 2, it has all the directions. Slide 3, it has a calendar. One thing about this is as you're working, if you wanted to just highlight a slide or cross off the details as you complete it, that could be a way to help keep yourself organized. But something else I want to show you is that when you tap on a slide, it will already have a title for what you're supposed to be working on that day. But I also included resources. You have to get to those resources. So you tap on the 3 little dots in the upper right and you tap on speaker notes. You'll see that I have a couple videos here and I also have some web links for you to open up, and that'll help you fill in the information for this day. You can do the same thing for the next day and the next day and the next day and the next day. What's important to note is that this slideshow is already shared with me because you open it up from Schoology. If you make your own slideshow out of your own Google Drive, it won't be shared with me and I won't be able to see your work. So just to show you a couple more quick things, if you open up your drive, you will see that your project is stored in your drive underneath your recents. You'll find it 2 places. You'll find it in my shared with me, and you'll also find it down here in your drive. When you're ready to keep on working on your assignment, there's 2 ways you can get to it. Now I'm going to close all this out so I can show you how you can keep on working on the assignment. You don't go back into Schoology. You can just go ahead and go to your drive and you'll see it right here in your recents, and you can tap on it. It'll open it up in Google Slides and you can go ahead and get to work. Or you could also navigate to Google Slides, open up the application, and it will be there as well. When your assignment is all completed, you have to submit it, and here's how you do that. It's very simple. You just go back to Schoology, you tap on the original assignment from Project A1, you go to My Document, you just tap on Submit Assignment. You confirm, and then you're on a rocket ship to success. I'll get a notification that you submitted the assignment. I'll grade it and I'll put the comments in, and you'll see those appear here on this slide. But let's say you submitted the assignment and you realize that you forgot something and you want to add some more changes. But let's say you submitted the assignment and you realize you forgot something and you want to make some changes. You can click this Unsubmit button as long as I haven't graded it. If I graded it, then you cannot click the Unsubmit button. You can send me a message and ask me to unsubmit it for you. So if you click Unsubmit, it'll go back to looking just like it did before. You can tap on the assignment, you can launch it in the app, and get back to work. If you have any questions about how this assignment works within Schoology, please send me an email or a message in Schoology.